Hello, I'm Joseph, a PhD student at IIT Hyderabad, India. I'm here to present our work titled Towards Open World Object Detection. This is a joint work with Salman and Fahad from MBZUAI and my PhD advisor Vineet. Open world detection considers a realistic setting where a few set of classes denoted by the blue circles are labeled out of a large pool of unlabeled classes denoted by the gray area. An open world detector should be able to identify instances of unlabeled classes as unknown along with learning labeled instances. As and when these unknown classes are annotated by an oracle, the open world detector should be able to incrementally learn those classes without access to previous class data points. The whole process goes on until the detector learns all classes of interest. Our newly formulated open world object detection problem sits in the nexus of open set learning and incremental learning when applied to object detection. The proposed methodology OR is built on top of FastRCNN framework with three important changes. We explain them next. Class separability in the latent space can help an object detector to identify unknowns and reduce forgetting. We enforce this through a contrastive clustering loss on this 2048 dimensional feature vector in the ROI head. We ensure FC, a feature vector corresponding to class C, to be close to its corresponding class prototype PI while far away from other class prototype vectors. Each class prototype is a function of the feature vector of the corresponding class, which are stored in a feature store. Continually adapting these class prototypes is a key task, which is explained in this algorithm. Fstore is a feature store which contains fixed length queue per task. After a certain burn-in iteration IB, the class prototype vectors are computed as the mean of the vectors in the corresponding feature store. After each IP iterations, the prototypes are refreshed. The contrastive loss demands even the unknown data to be labeled, which is impractical. As a surrogate, we propose to define an unknown-aware region proposal network which auto-labels unknown. Those proposals with very high objectness score but without an overlapping ground truth label are auto-labeled as an unknown. The third change is to use an energy-based classification head. Energy-based models has its intrinsic capability to assign low energy values to in-distribution data and high energy values to out-of-distribution data. We utilize this to classify whether a region proposal belongs to an unknown class or not. Specifically, we use a modified version of Helmholtz energy formulation where the energy is expressed in terms of classification logits, which directly follows from equation number 3. When we plot the energy values of a kept-aside validation data, we see clear separation in the known and the unknown classes. We fit a Weibull distribution on this, and the likelihood of a proposal to belong to either of the learned distribution is used to identify it as an unknown. This completes the description of OR. While learning the next task sequentially, we use a simple exemplar replay strategy to address forgetting. Next, let's review the experimental setting. Task 1 contains instances of all 20 classes of Pascal VOC dataset. Semantically different classes from the remaining 60 classes of MS COCO are grouped to form the next 3 tasks. We explicitly evaluate the quality of unknown detections using wilderness impact and absolute open set error while quantifying the detection accuracy with MAP metric. This table summarizes our main result. While learning each task sequentially, when compared to the standard FastRCNN, OR has dramatic improvement in characterizing unknown without compromising on the performance of labeled data. Without any methodological change, we are able to achieve state-of-the-art performance on incremental object detection too. Here we have a qualitative result. OR is able to detect fruits and vegetables as unknown on the left as it has not been introduced yet. After learning about them in task 3, OR can incrementally learn them. An unidentified class still remains and it is correctly detected as an unknown. To summarize, we introduce a practical extension to object detection problem which tasks the model to identify unknowns and incrementally learn them when the identified unknowns are eventually labeled. We formulate a methodology based on contrastive clustering, unknown-aware RPN, and an energy-based unknown identifier. We further define the experimental setting and evaluation protocols for this newly introduced problem. Please refer to our paper for more detailed results and ablation experiments. Our code and models are available on GitHub. Thank you very much for listening to our talk.